Hello everyone, welcome to Chic Spaces. We as a team feel very proud delivering a home one after another and seeing clients' dream come true. This emotion is truly indescribable. Today is no exception. We are delivering an urban sophistication. Very minimal, modern interiors perfected to fit in a 3 BHK here at Honer Aquantis. Profile shutter wardrobes, magnetic track lights, wallpapers, kitchen diode tiles and countertops are just treat to eyes. My favorite part of the house is the Pooja room design, which is very abstract and subtle. What is yours? Do let us know in the comments below about your favorite chic space.